Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to set the time and date on your Casio W-86. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy this kind of videos, please consider subscribing, like the video, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Now if you have this kind of Casio watch with the 3 buttons, you can use this same tutorial on other models such as the F91W and the A163W. So the first thing that you want to do is to use the mode button. So we will press it 3 times. Once, twice, 3 times. You can see that the one that is beeping is the seconds. Now in order to select the hours, we will use the button on the top left side, so the light button. Now you can see that the hours are beeping. So we can use the button on the right in order to adjust the hours. You can do that, and after you have set the hours, let's say it's 10 in the morning, and now we also want to select the minutes. We will press the light button once again. Always look at the seconds as well because it will actually make it to 3 minutes. And now we can actually adjust it. If you want to move faster, you can press and hold in order to move faster. As you can see, we can go and make it 10:50. Now, if you want to set the date, you will press the light button once again. And here we have the month. We can adjust it. As you can see, we can make it September, so the 9th. Then if we press it one more time, we can select and set the day of the month. Let's make it the 1st. I will press and hold. And then let's select the day of the week and let's make it Friday. Now, if you made a mistake and want to change something, you can press the light button once again and it will go all over again. So you can set the seconds, the hours, the minutes, and once again, the entire process. Now, if you are all set and done, you can press the mode button once again and you are set. You can see that it is 10:51 and it is the 1st of the month and it is Friday. So that was the quick tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If so, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.